Ever wondered about stars, like how they form? There are how many types of star? What happens after death of star? Well, you are going to know this here. From a nebula, a star is born from gathering matter by gravity and starting nuclear fusion. There are different types of star. Some of main are red dwarf, yellow stars, blue giants, white dwarfs, red giants, neutron stars, supergiants. Red dwarf. Red dwarfs are the most common stars in the universe. They are small, cool, and burn their fuel very slowly, shining steadily for trillions of years. Yellow star. Yellow stars, like our sun, are medium-sized and have moderate temperatures. They shine steadily for billions of years and can support planetary systems, making life possible around them. Blue giants. Blue giants are massive, hot, and extremely bright stars. They burn their fuel quickly and live for only a few million years, ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. White dwarf. White dwarfs are the final stage of stars like our sun after they run out of fuel. When such a star swells into a red giant and sheds its outer layers, the hot, dense core that remains is called a white dwarf. Though they are only about the size of Earth, they are incredibly dense. Just a teaspoon of their matter can weigh tons. Over billions of years, white dwarfs gradually cool down. Red giants. Red giants are aging stars that have used up most of their hydrogen fuel. As their cores shrink, the outer layers expand, making them huge and cooler in color, shining with a deep red glow. These stars can grow hundreds of times larger than their original size. Eventually, they shed their outer layers into space, creating beautiful clouds of gas and dust, while their cores may become white. Neutron stars. Neutron stars are the ultra-dense remnants left behind after a massive star explodes in a supernova. They are incredibly small, only about 20 kilometers wide, but pack more mass than the sun. Their gravity is immense, and they spin rapidly, sometimes hundreds of times per second. Some neutron stars emit powerful beams of radiation and are known as pulsars, flashing like cosmic lighthouses across the universe. Supergiants. Supergiants are among the largest and brightest stars in the universe. They can be hundreds of times bigger than our sun and shine millions of times more brightly. Because of their immense mass, they burn through their fuel very quickly and have short lifespans, often just a few million years. When they reach the end of their lives, supergiants explode in powerful supernovae, leaving behind neutron stars or even black holes. Death of small and medium stars. When small or medium-sized stars like our sun run out of hydrogen fuel, they begin to swell and transform into red giants. Their outer layers drift away into space, creating a beautiful glowing shell of gas called a planetary nebula. What remains behind is the hot, dense core. A white dwarf. Over billions of years, this white dwarf slowly cools and fades into a dark, cold, black dwarf. The quiet end of a gentle star. Death of massive stars. When a massive star reaches the end of its fuel, its core collapses under its own gravity. This triggers a gigantic explosion called a supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe. The explosion scatters elements across space, helping form new stars and planets. What's left behind depends on the star's mass. It may become an ultra-dense neutron star, or if it's even heavier, collapse further to form a black hole, a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape.